Welcome to the Cape Town International Convention Centre, a world-class events venue that's renowned for offering superior value-added services, versatile venues, and state-of-the-art facilities. From international conferences to national conferences, from special events to banquets, to exhibitions and trade shows, we do it all. For your convenience, we also offer a wide range of services on site, including events management, food and beverage, exhibition services, audiovisual, IT services, and so much more. So you don't even have to shop around. So, you've decided you'd like to host an event at the CTICC. To make a booking, you will need to go through our booking process, or as we like to call it, our event journey, which kicks off the moment you submit an inquiry. We're also experts at handling last-minute events, so don't hesitate to pick up the phone.
Once we've received your inquiry, one of our experienced sales executives will get in touch with you to get the ball rolling. Someone like this superstar. Your designated sales executive will take you on a tour of all our available venues, help you select the perfect space, talk you through all the paperwork and contracts, and walk you through the payment plan.
Great news! Your booking has been confirmed. Now it's time to start planning a show-stopping event with the help of our event executive. Now we know you've enjoyed dealing with our sales executive, and you're probably wondering why they're handing you over to someone else. This is simply because our team consists of various role players who are all experts in their respective fields, which is so much better than a single person who only has a vague idea of how everything works, right? Our event executives understand all the intricate details of event planning, from supplier quotes and function sheets to prepayment, venue rental, orders, and they will make sure that every last detail is taken care of. They will also advise you on the documentation you might need to make your event happen. This includes the event application, medics plan, security plan, safety letter, public liability, floor plan, risk categorization, and BDM 11 and 12 with renderings. Because their only priority is to make your event a success.
Once you're in the home stretch of the planning phase, you'll be handed over to our event service manager, a true pro who will be coordinating the various on-site requirements for your event. In addition, our event service managers handle the on-the-day event orchestration. If anyone knows how to make your event pop, it's them. After weeks or even months of planning, the big day finally arrives. And just like practically every event hosted at the CTICC, your event is a roaring success that everyone will be buzzing about for weeks after.
A few days after, you're surprised to get a call from our event executive. But don't be alarmed. They're only calling to find out if you're 100% satisfied and to handle the final reconciliation, invoicing, and payment. And of course, thanks to the success of your first event, you most likely want to speak to us about hosting another one. And our event executive will gladly assist you with that too.
Now, what are you waiting for? Let's start planning your event. Our team is waiting for your call.